Hey everyone, so I know a little bit ago I made a video about, a new picture that was just released. That kind of, wasn't the clearest, but it still showed, it was the new tournament, version of Zane that was coming out, a new battle pack, little set or whatever. It's probably gonna be coming out in like Lego stores eventually. But now we actually have like nice clear pictures. I'll post a link in the description to the one who's posted it, the page where he posts pictures. But these are nice and clear. We're able to see the figures much better now. And here are the 4 figures that are in the set. It's like a little battle pack set. Here's the package itself. You can see there, it on the top says Tournament Zane, so it's the Tournament Zane we did not get back in Tournament of Elements. Samurai X, which is probably the last Samurai X figure we'll probably ever get, or one of the last. Considering Nia is now a ninja, so it's a very cool figure to get too, especially because it's brand new as well. On the bottom here we got 2 new redesigned pirates. It's actually pretty cool, like the one with the hat. He's got the Skybound printing on his hat as well, so it's very cool to see that. And then here's the back of the box. It just has this little picture here of the figures. So again, here are all the 4 figures. They look amazing. It's like they're all new figures to the Skybound wave, or well, basically I consider the only Skybound figures here are the pirates themselves. Then the Zane one is kind of, I don't know, you could consider it a tournament figure. And then Nia, I don't know where you would fit that figure, but Samurai X. But I'm not going to focus too much on the pirates. I mean, they're still really cool, but I think the main draw to this whole thing is Nia and Zane. But here are the 2 pirates. They both like totally new and different pirates that we have not gotten in the sets. One's got peg leg. The only pirate we got with a peg leg in the Skybound wave was Clancy, so it's cool to get another one with the peg leg, like a pirate. And then you got his big hat, his hat there, and then you got the one with the green hat. And if you flip it around, if you saw on the thing, he's got the Skybound symbol on it. You can see right there. But yeah, so he's got that cool too. It looks very cool, and with the Skybound symbol on there, that's really cool. I don't know if some of the printing's new. I think some of the printing on the body is new as well. But very cool figures, just to add to your Skybound collection. I'm going to move on to Samurai X, and this is probably one of the last Samurai X figures we'll probably ever get. That's at least what I'm thinking. Who knows? But this is a totally brand new redesigned Samurai X figure. He's still got the same old black helmet that they just recently used. The gold top, the gold piece right on right in there on the top. You got the red mask there, and then you got like those are just completely black shoulder pads, so it's very cool. And now she's got her normal red sleeves there and the black gloves, and then you got there a totally new redesigned outfit for Nia. It looks amazing, and it just looks really, really cool. And it's a great Samurai X version to add to your Samurai X collection, your Nia collection, if you think about it. But it's a very, very cool figure. It looks like she's getting a slightly new face, so it's very cool to get that as well. But I just really like the colors and the design of the brand new Samurai X figure. It looks really, really cool. It's probably one of my favorites of the Samurai X figures, and they've all been really amazing. So yeah. Here's the other. She's got 2 faces. One is more of a Samurai X face, so it's very cool to get that as well. But as you can tell on the back, here is her without her armor and stuff, but with her hair. The hair doesn't come in it. The one who took the pictures added the hair just to kind of show what she would look like with it. And on the back, she does not have any printing, but I mean, you're gonna have the armor there covering it up anyway, so it's not too much of a concern. But altogether though, the Nia figure is a great figure, and cannot wait to get it. Now, on to the figure that's probably one of the biggest draws to the little battle pack, at least in my opinion, is the Zane Tournament of Elements version figure. And this figure is just amazing. And of course, you're able to adjust the figure if you want to when you get it. If you get it, you're able to adjust it if you want to. You can make it look, more like the tournament version, like the rebooted mask, the smaller mask, and then their hairpiece on top. You could change it up and make it look like that too. I mean, you could change it up, but I mean, altogether the figure still looks really, really great. He's got one side that's the his normal arm, and then the damaged arm. So it's like he wore it like the others, and then he got damaged. But you can see there, it's the same design as the other Ninja had, but now it's in his design. You know, his white and gold design, all that stuff. And you can see there, it's showing his power source, his heart, you could say. But of course, they're giving him battle damage face. The back is exactly the same type of design as all the others had, with his symbol. So it's very, very cool to be getting this. I'm so excited to get this. Now, the one who took the picture, I don't know why they put Pixel next to him, but I guess they were just kind of side by side. But the hair is not in the set, the little set, but I'm sure if you've got his hair, you can put it on him as well. But there is his new face. You can see there, you know, it kind of, honestly, it almost looks better like this. You know, well, the other mask is cool, but I like it better like this because it fits better with the other tournament figures, you know, the other tournament outfits that the Ninja wore. So I'll probably put like a white mask on him if you really want to. You could change it up like that. But altogether, though, this figure is just amazing, and the printing on the outfit is just great. You know, you can maybe adjust some of the things, you know, on the, you know, the mask maybe, but altogether, though, the figure itself just looks really, really great, and I can't wait to get it. I'm gonna get it somewhere. I'm expecting it to probably end up being in like Lego stores eventually soon, or sometime soon. Again, and also the person posts a picture of the instructions. It's not really much, but yeah. So what do you guys think about all these new minifigures? I really like the new Samurai X as well. Very cool. New Pirates. And yeah, I expect this to probably be out quite soon. Probably in the next few weeks, or you know, maybe a month. And I don't think it's gonna be too long probably till we start seeing it come up in our stores. I'm gonna take a guess, just say Lego stores mainly. I don't know what other places would carry it, but right now I think apparently this is being seen across seas, so this is how we're getting like the pictures and stuff. But there's the 4 figures in the set. What do you guys think about this? You know, just kind of covered it, but yeah, new images, nice clear, so I kind of covered it. So what do you guys think about this?